Alright, so I was placing blocks using local, and this works in lots of situations. But a situation it doesn't work well in is, say, this is squat, right? If I point at the middle, it works. If I point out towards the edge, it thinks that it's going to get the thing from X or from Y. If I point here, it's getting it from Z. So I had to change my equations. I was using local, so we get the hit point local to the object we're touching. And then it says, oh, how far out is it on the local? Well, on squat objects, it can be further out on the axis and still be on the other side. So, enter the new math. So we use hit normal and compare the hit normal to the world orientation column with dot. So we use absolute so that -1 will also work, because -1 would be like negative z-axis if you're pointing at the top, or z-axis when you're pointing at the top, I mean. So this would produce -1 on z. This would produce 1 on z. So that's why we use absolute here. So that's the new math, and this works even if you're pointing towards a corner, and eliminates that little bit of error there. So yeah, math is important. It's really nice to use the vector math. I'm going to save this and then do new. We'll just do a little demonstration of dot. So we got a cube here. I'm going to turn it into a sphere. And then we're going to add a script. Templates, Python, game logic, simple. And this will teach you a couple of things besides just about dot. So if mo.positive, and mo is mouse over, I'm going to add an always tap sensor, and then add a mouse actuator just to turn the mouse on. You can also do it over here in a checkbox somewhere, right there. If cont.sensors mo.positive. So that's saying if this sensor is positive, HP equals hit position normal hit normal bge.render HP plus normal. So now we're just going to draw a line based on where we hit and have it go out on the normal of the surface. There it is, and it's working. So now we can compare this. D equals normal dot vector 0, 0, 1. So we'll do from mathutils import vector. If absolute d is greater than 0.95, else. So we're going to make this one green and this one red. So if it points up or down, it should go green. Ooh, we got some problems here. Oh, I didn't close this. There we go. Ta-da! So you can tell if the normal's facing near up or straight down. And then we can also do own r equals d. And then I'm going to add a readout. And then set it for debug and turn debug props on. And now you can see the dot product. So we're just comparing vectors, basically. It's handy math to have. You can use this all over game dev. Alright, thanks for watching.